In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns inside toggle blocks in Notion. Whether you're launching Notion for the first time or polishing an existing workspace, this quick method keeps dense layouts organized and easy to hide or reveal. Start by creating your toggle. In a blank spot, type /toggle, then press Enter. You'll see a new toggle block appear. Give it a clear title so you know what's inside later. This will act like a tidy container for everything you're about to build. Next, turn that toggle into a full page so you can design your layout with more room. Hover over the toggle, click the 6-dot handle on the left, choose, Turn Into, and select Page. Don't worry, this doesn't delete anything. It simply converts the block into a page, which is the best place to build multi-column layouts without the cramping you'd get inside a small toggle. Open the newly created page and start building your columns. Add a few blocks, text, images, to-do lists, whatever you need. To create columns, drag one block to the right side of another until you see a vertical blue line appear. That blue line is your guide that Notion is about to place the block in a new column. Release, and you'll have side-by-side content. For 3 or more columns, keep dragging additional blocks to the right edges of existing columns and watch for that same blue line. If something doesn't land where you expect, just drag again. Notion's layout is very forgiving. Keep in mind that columns look best on desktop. On mobile, they'll stack vertically for readability. When your layout looks the way you want, convert it back into a toggle so everything stays collapsible on the parent page. Use the breadcrumb at the top or the back button to return to the parent page, where that page now lives. Hover over the page, click the 6-dot handle. Choose Turn Into and select Toggle List. Instantly, your multi-column layout is tucked neatly inside a toggle. Click the toggle to expand and work with your columns, and collapse it when you want a cleaner view. This is perfect for dashboards, meeting notes, or sections you don't need to see all the time. That's the entire workflow. Create a toggle, turn it into a page, build your columns, then convert it back to a toggle. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.